Where is the unmasked view between data and dependency. Are we tracking the train or are we being tracked? That is an important question on all these technologies coming we should ask to ourselves. Every innovation has two sides, the tool and the temptation. On one hand, Where is My Train empowers millions. It breaks language barriers, connects rural travelers, bridges railway gaps. But on the other hand, it teaches us something deeper. We are becoming passengers not just on trains but in technology itself. The more we depend on these invisible systems, the less we question how they see us. The app collects cell tower data, user location, and behavior patterns also. Google owns that information now. So, while it tells you where your train is, it may also learn where you are. That's the trade off convenience, the quiet cost of progress. And the final station between innovation and illusion. So, what have we learned on this ride? The app works cleverly, efficiently, brilliantly, but within limits. It's not flawless, but it's fearless innovation. Built by Indian engineers, fueled by Indian challengers, and adopted by global giants. It proves one thing: in India, technology doesn't wait for infrastructure, it invents its own tracks. But as we race forward, the unmasked Indian reminds you progress must be questioned, not just celebrated. Because sometimes the app that guides us will also watch us. And the train that never loses its way might just be the one watching where you go. Technology connects India's journeys, but awareness most guide its direction. Stay tuned.